Hello, Joe here with AJ Innovative Interiors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble RTA wall cabinet. Take a left side of the cabinet and then bottom panel of the cabinet and attach left side to the bottom panel. Then attach top panel. Then you take the back panel of the cabinet and you slide it into the groove of the cabinet. Then you install final side of the cabinet once the back panel is in. Make sure the front is flush with all the parts and the back. It's ready to go. Now, as I'm flipping the cabinet to receive the nailers, it would be the next step. This is the nailers. Simply put them into the back. You can use the wood glue to hold the nailers better in place with the back. Any wood glue would work. That way it would add durability and strength to the cabinet. Just use the pocket bit to screw in the pocket screws and repeat the process with the second nailer step by step. Put it in, and again I would recommend using the glue to add extra strength to the cabinet. Now as you turn the cabinet towards you, next step would be installing shelf pins. Install the shelf pins where you want your shelf to be. Just install them on the same level. Very simple, just put them in the holes, and once that is finished, the pins are ready to receive the shelf. Once the shelf is in, next step would be installing hinges on the door. Grab your door, using the square, make sure the hinge is aligned, and then install the screws and repeat the process for all the hinges. Once the installation of the hinges are completed, you're ready to hang the doors on the hinge plates. Just simply slide the hinge into the hinge plate top first. Listen to a click sound. Sometimes you have to push it firmer on it. Just and then again you have to hear a click sound once it clicks, the hinge click. And then you'll be ready once the doors are installed for door adjustment. Do it manually with the screwdriver. So on the hinge plates, there's a screw. This is the one I'm doing right now. It moves the hinge plate upwards or down sometimes, and you work with the hinges. There's screws on the actual hinges. They bring the door out and they bring the door in. So you basically just try different options, adjusting the actual hinge, bringing the door out, and as you're working with that, you can close the doors and see the results you're getting, and then just work your way from there. One screw is bringing the door out and in, and the other screw on the same hinge left or right. So just try that and close the doors and see where you need the adjustment, and again work your way out from there. Here we go. The installation of the doors completed, and you're done with assembling your cabinet. Enjoy your cabinet. This is a made in USA product. Enjoy it.